Guys, I've said it once and I've said it before, and you know that I'm crazy about SIO pads. I've talked about them before, and I just wanted to kind of give you a breakdown of why I love them so that you can get them and love them too, because quite honestly, I really think they're revolutionary. So you know that I became obsessed with these patches. I got them in a goodie bag, and I then reached out, DM'd. I actually DM'd the creator and the brand, and they all got back to me, and then they sent me more, and I'm like, I'm gonna do some niceness right now, and I'm going to give back the love by making a video for them. I used one of these on my neck. Now these are made out of silicone, so they're not like goopy and wet like a lot of masks. These are totally dry. These are patches that you can put under your eyes, your brows, like your face, your neck, your décolleté, and they're gonna take wrinkles away, and they're just gonna make you look hydrated. These take about 8 hours to work, so you can wear them while you're sleeping, which is how I found out about these. I got one of these in a goodie bag, and I wore it while I slept on my neck. Now you can see my neck is a little, listen, I'm not 20 anymore. Let's just be honest. Double that, flip it and rewind it, okay? And so I wore one night, and in the morning I was so surprised by the results that I like couldn't believe this was a real thing, like without getting any surgery or anything. So I became obsessed. You might have seen that Insta story, and I talked all about it, and then a lot of people bought them and they agreed. What I love about these is 1, they're not messy. 2, they're reusable up to 15 times. 3, they work. So those are just 3 reasons alone. So when I dug deeper into these, I realized that they were made out of medical grade silicone, which is amazing. And I also realized that they help promote collagen production. So the collagen that's like sleeping in your skin after 25, it kind of is like, wake up, let's get active, let's get back on the treadmill, and let's make our friend look younger. So anything that does that, I just want to take all of them and put them all on my face and just bathe in them. Now I will tell you, you have to be cautionary with these, because I left one out on top of my nightstand, and my husband threw it away because he had no idea what it was. He was like, this is weird, what is this? And threw it out. So let everyone know around you what's going on, okay? We're gonna be reproducing our collagen, getting rid of our wrinkles while we sleep, and don't touch or mess with my stuff, okay? So just to let you know about all the different varieties of patches they have like a brow lift, a lip lift, a neck lift, a décolleté lift, eyes, elbows, knees. I mean, the list goes on and on. Bubblegum shrimp lift, you know what I'm saying? So many. These are not just for women, they're for men too. So don't be afraid to stick these in the stocking during Christmas-ka. You know what I'm saying? So another thing you can do if you don't have the time to wear these at night, you can wear them like when you get out and you're doing your hair or whatever. I would put them on and they'll work. It'll be like a quick fix, and they do work, but wearing them overnight is even better, but you could do both, just to let you know. So I'm gonna just show you a before and after picture of when I use them. So this is the before, you can see, and this is the after. Look how great that is. Isn't that amazing? So I'm not gonna make money off of you buying these, but I did get a discount. Jamie Makeup, simple as that. So use the discount code, get yourself some SIO pads, and then tag me, post a before and after and tag me. I would love to see it. They seriously are awesome. They should be called Seriously SIOs Are Awesome, or SIOSly. Does that work? I don't know, but I'm obsessed with them, and I just like to bring you guys the goods, and whatever, we wanna look young forever, don't we? Anyway, comment below, tell me what you wanna see, tell me how you're feeling. I charge by the hour. I love you, I mean it. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye.